go ahead and empty out your main function, and let's talk about a shorthand way we can declare a couple different variables at once. So one of those ways is, let's say we want two numbers, and we can just do something like this: num1, num2, comma num2, colon equals, and we can give the numbers, so 4, 5. So this is kind of a shorthand, or just another way to say num1 colon equals 4, num2 colon equals 5. Personally, I think this top way looks cleaner than this bottom way, but both ways will work. So this is probably the way we will do it, but I just want to make you aware that this is available. We can do this, and now we can print both num1 and num2. So 4 will get stored inside of num1, and 5 will get stored inside of num2. So I can say fmt.print ln num1, and then I'm going to copy paste it for num2. Copy paste num2, and if I run this, we should get 4 and then 5 printed. Perfect, 4, 5. And we can of course do the same thing here and say var num1 num2, but now we have to get rid of the colon, and we'll still be able to run it. So it's multiple ways to declare these variables. And then one last thing we can do is we can say var num1 num2, and we can say that these are going to be ints. So we can say int like this, and num2 is an int. So you're going to see this doesn't quite work because there's two ints like this in one setting, so we have to delete this first one, but we can do this. So we can say num1 and num2 will be an int, and so this is just a odd way to do it, but this is saying num1 and 2 will be an int, and they'll be 4 and 5. We can run this, and you'll see this is another way to do this. So again, multiple ways, a little confusing. I would highly recommend we stick with this way: num1 colon equals 4, num2 colon equals 5. So just want to make you aware of those other ways, but this is the way that is what I think is the cleanest, and the way we'll do it for now.